Welcome to the Tesla Taxi Adaptive Cruise Control and Autopilot video. To go into Adaptive Cruise Control, while driving, press down on the right side stalk one time. You will notice a number will pop up with a blue circle around it, and it is displaying the word max. This will indicate to you that the Adaptive Cruise Control is turned on and set at that speed. If you activate Adaptive Cruise Control under the speed limit, the cruise control should automatically set itself to the speed limit. If you need to adjust the speed limit, use the right side scroll wheel that is located on the steering wheel. Scrolling up slowly will increase the speed by 1 km, whereas if you scroll it up quickly, it will increase the speed by 5 km. Scroll down slowly to decrease the speed by 1 km, or again if you scroll it down quickly, it will decrease the speed by 5 km. To set the safe following distance to the car ahead of you, press left or right on the right side scroll wheel. Now that you should have Adaptive Cruise Control on, it is time to turn on Autopilot. First note, if you can see a little greyed out steering wheel on the screen, Autopilot should be available. To activate Autopilot, press down on the right side stalk 2 times. The car should then center itself within the lane and start following the car in front of it while staying in the center of the lane. Once Autopilot is turned on, you will notice that the greyed out steering wheel turned to blue, and the display should also show you a visible representation of your lane and the cars around you. In Autopilot, it will have all the features of Adaptive Cruise Control, such as speed limiting and keeping a safe distance between you and the car in front of you. Also, from time to time, the car will ask you to apply a slight turning force to the wheel to ensure that you have not fallen asleep behind the wheel. Just slightly apply a small amount of force to the steering wheel and the indication will go away. There is no set timer on this reminder, so make sure you are aware of it. To disengage both Autopilot and Adaptive Cruise Control, press up on the right side of stalk. To turn off Autopilot but keep Adaptive Cruise Control on, apply enough force to the steering wheel for the Autopilot to disengage. This will keep Adaptive Cruise Control on and you may continue your drive. Thanks for watching and visit teslataxi.com.au to find out more.